What's going on? Back with another video. This is Stormy and we are on the third training. We're not learning any the next mode yet. We're going to learn how to connect the Dorian mode and the Ionian mode together, since we've already learned that. Now if you have not learned either of those, then go back to the beginning of this series and learn those two first. So today we're going to connect mode 1, which is the Ionian mode, and mode 2, the Dorian mode, together so that we can learn how to play down the neck. Now, as you can remember, the Ionian mode is mode 1. We're going to be in the key of G, and it's mode 1, which is this. It will help if I could turn my guitar up. All right, so this is Ionian mode. Remember, you skip down 1. Okay, and this is the Dorian mode, which is 2. So like I said, you go a whole step up to get to the next mode, and this is mode 2. Alright, so here you can see how they connect up here. So what you want to do is try and go up and down mode 1 first. Slide into mode 2, because these two will connect you to mode 2. And you're in mode 2 right now. Skip up 1. And that's how you connect them both. So you're going to play Ring Around the Rosie. You're going to go up and down at least about 10 times. And once you memorize that, then you can move on to the next video. But how you're going to memorize these is you're going to what? Find a backing track. So, but just go up and down a few times on each scale first. And you can also slide into the next scale. You slide down 1, you're already in scale 2. To one scale to the other. And this is how you know that you're inside of the scale, because you're going to use this as your guide. You have dots up here, or you can't see the dots down here, but use your dots at the top as a guide. So you know you're in mode 1 because of this dot on the G major. Sometimes you're not going to have dots, but you have to memorize where the number 1 and 2 at. So being that we're in G major, you know that this is mode 1, and you know that this is mode 2, and you know the pattern of mode 1 and mode 2. So at all times you should know where you're at when you're playing. So right here, this goes into mode 2 already. So now you know that this is mode 2, and the shape of mode 2 is this. So then you can just slide into mode 2 easily, because you know know mode 2. You know your modes. And you can just go down mode 2. And slide back into mode 1. And you know your pattern to mode 1 because that's it. Back in mode 2. Slide back to mode 1. Mode 2. So that's how you get in. That's how you connect the 2 modes. So I'm going to demonstrate for you, but once I demonstrate for you, either you can pause the video now and go find a backing track and play, or find one after. All right. So we're playing in G major right now. I'm going to find a backing track that I like. And make sure that it's in G or else it won't sound good. So let's continue. And it doesn't matter if you mess up, just keep going. It's better to mess up at home than out in the streets. So keep going. So that was in G major. So you can also play these same modes in another key and it'll still sound good. So let's go to A major backing track and see what that sounds like. So A major, if you know your notes, starts right here. And what are you gonna do? You're gonna, A major will be mode 1. So you're gonna start your mode 1 here and mode 2 here on B. So anytime you're changing keys, the mode starts over in that new key. If you have any questions, or are you confused, leave your comments and questions below. That's how you connect the modes. So go practice. Your homework is to find backing tracks in A major, B major, C major. Go practice back and forth, side to side until you can get it right. It doesn't matter if you mess up. And leave your video down below so I can see it, or just go to the next video. Bye for now.